Hello, this is iMobi. This video will help you extract data from Google account. First, open DroidKit, select Data Extractor function, click from Google account. Then the software will give you three options: restore WhatsApp from Google Drive, restore data such as messages, call log, Wi-Fi from Google Backups, restore data such as photos, contacts, calendar from Google account. For example, restore WhatsApp from Google Drive, click Start. Enter Google account and password according to the page display. Click Sign In. Open Google browser, log into Google account and click Continue to authenticate account. Click I have authorized. Then select the WhatsApp backup you need to restore and click Download. After the download is complete, you can click Next or View to view the backup. Select the data to be transferred, such as photo. Transfer to the computer. Then, the software will pop up a window for you to select the file type and export path of the transferred data. Check here and choose not to remind next time. Then click Continue. After the transfer is completed, click View Files to check whether the transferred photos are successful. Then click the house symbol on the table to return to the starting page. If you need to recover data such as text messages, please start the same steps as before. Select the second one, click Start. Enter the Google account. Click Sign In. And select the backup. Click Next, then the software will scan your data. View and select the backup you need to restore. You can choose to restore to the device or Mac. After the transfer is complete, click View Files to check whether the data has been restored successfully. If you want to restore photos, please select the third one, Google account. Select the data you need to restore. Click Start. Then click Sign In with Google. Wait until the data is read. You can choose the data you need to restore to the device or computer. For example, transfer photos to Mac. After the extraction is complete, you can choose View Files to check whether the data is successful.